Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I've been looking for a better mattress. My mattress is 20 years old. I was nervous about changing it out because a lot of good memories were made on this mattress. Sometimes you gotta let things go in life. And today's the day I get rid of my mattress because I've been researching on the internet and I found Puffy Mattress. I've been holding onto the old mattress because I spent a lot of money on it. It was thousands of dollars about 20 years ago, but it has had its day in the sun. Besides the icky stains, it's also falling apart at the seams. Every which way, this thing is tattered, which really felt awkward, but I just didn't know what to do about it. And I also put on a foam mattress pad on top. It's time to say goodbye to the old and in with the new. So heave-ho! Out to the curb she goes, which was really easy to do because Puffy came and delivered a mattress right to my door. So open her up because I got a Puffy Lux king mattress. And all of that fits in this box with all the instructions of how to set it up right on the box. That is an entire king-size mattress fitting in there with room to spare. How do they do that? And onto the bed. And I did it myself. And this Puffy mattress is compatible with most frames. I'm using it on a box spring today. But I put some wood down too, so it's almost like it has slats. And I'm gonna follow the directions now to set up my Puffy. So roll it up to the top of your bed frame. This is the fun part. Ah! It's like a baby chick just got born. Now the Puffy's a puffin'. So open her up. And voila, there's our Puffy mattress. Time for a nap. This softness is perfect for me. It's so much better than that big old piece of foam that was like 3 or 4 inches thick. This firmness is flat and doesn't dent in so much, so I have more support, yet it's really soft and cushy. Check out this comfort factor. And I love sitting on the side of my bed, and this is comfortable. It's not going to give way right here. This king-size bed is 12 inches deep, which is a perfect size for my bedroom. It's not so high like my other one, which makes it easier to plop down and get back up. Sleeping on a Puffy is like sleeping on a cloud. And the Puffy mattress is great for any body type. And it's not going to dent like the old mattress did. It's got the latest in sleep technology. It's 100% made in the United States. Puffy has researched the best in sleep technology, and they bring that to their mattresses. In my house, I have 5 bedrooms, so I got more Puffy mattresses, and I slept on that Puffy, and I had a good night's sleep. And a good night's sleep means really good health. Click the link below to get your Puffy mattress. They come in all sizes. There's a great selection, and they come right to your door. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel, and let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe for a good night's sleep on a really comfortable bed. So you're energized for whatever your day holds. Right now, it's a nap for me. If you like this video, check out these other videos about home life.